Hello lovelies, you're welcome back again to Time with Josies. Thank you all for joining once again. Today I'm going to be making Serena's hair. Serena's hair is all natural and it's not very long. I just started growing it not long ago, and I've not started applying any natural hair products. I just finished washing the hair, so I'm using this hot comb to comb it as it dries it. Okay, it makes it soft and easy to part when you're making the hair. So she was just asking if I'm done, and I don't know what she was saying afterwards. So the next thing I'm going to apply on her hair is this herbal hair treatment. I got it all the way from Nigeria, so I'm just going to apply it on her hair. Okay, and I'm using this detangling comb also. And also, please, if you know any natural hair product that I can use, natural hair product or kits that I can use on their hair, please do let me know. I'm in Qatar. Please drop the comments on the comment section. So I just part the hair into two sections like this. Okay, so I'm just going to cornrow them, some to the left and down to the right. So I'm using this Escada wax on her hair. You can use any edge control or any gel that you know can hold the hair down. Because it's all natural, I haven't decided to add the Eco styling gel also, but they are not really working for this. If you have any idea on what I can do, also please do let me know. So I'm just parting the right section first. I'm going to cornrow all those sides down, and I'm using this yarn on her hair. The first thing I did is to get a small section of the hair like this. I weave the hair first before adding the yarns on the hair or any extension that you want to add. Okay, it prevents it from cutting too much. As you can see, she doesn't have hair at the front, so I'm not really going to pick that. So I'm just going to use the edge control to style it because I want the hair to grow back. I don't know what happened. I don't know what hit her hair. Sorry guys, finish the hair at the front. So I just did two cornrows now like this. I'm almost done with the right section. After I finish cornrolling those at the right section, then I'll move to the left. That is the style of the hair. It's very easy and it's good for kids. It will make them sit for a very long time. Okay, so I'm just going to part the right section now while I gave her juice to drink because she was about to start crying. I don't know what happened this time. So I'm almost done with it. I just have two cornrows left to do, and it's already looking so beautiful and it doesn't take time at all. It's very good for kids. Okay, so this is what I do. I just cornrow it down. Then after I'm done with all the hair, I'm just going to add this ribbon to enhance the beauty of the hair. You can use any ribbon of your choice. This is the one I'm using, so I'll just get this first, and this is how I apply the ribbon to cornrow. It's very easy. So just imagine you lacing your shoe. It's just the same thing we're doing with this ribbon. Okay, so I'm using the crochet pin on her hair like this. So just the same way you lace your shoe, that's the same thing you're going to do with the ribbon on the hair. She was already feeling sleepy, so I just had to be fast with the ribbon. I'm just going to add the ribbon to just the two front cornrows. Okay, one from the left and another from the right. That is what we did to this hair. It's very beautiful. You can use it for school or whatever occasion they want to use it for, and you can get better ribbons. This was what was available for me because I haven't started getting things, even the beads. I haven't started getting things for them. When I do, I'll definitely tell you whatever I'm using. So this is just the ribbon I'm using for this hair. It came out so beautiful. This is it. She was already feeling sleepy. I allowed her to sleep. Then when she woke up, I started with the baby hair at the front. So this was what I did. I added one transparent bead, then purple, then another transparent bead, then I used the rubber bands to hold it. Then I did everything for all the hair. You can see after she woke up, I did one session of the baby hair at the front. So I'm just doing the other side now, like this. This is because I did not pick the front hair because they are not long and they were already cutting off. I want to grow it first before we start doing that. So, and this is also beautiful. So I'm just using the curve section to add parts on the hair. Then the next thing is to use this gloss, hold and spray it on the hair. Also you can use styling mods, and voila, we have done. She's looking also beautiful. Please, if you find this video interesting and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, like the video, and do not forget to click on the bell notification icon so that you will be alerted whenever I drop my video. Until we meet again on our next video, bye.